Welcome back to the Training Academy studio. In this short video we're going to look at how we source switch and how we can get CORIOview to automatically fire presets for the number of sources I have. First of all, I'm just going to hit the participants button. That's the number of participants I have. Now you can see the 4 participants with their labels. If you look at the previous video, you can see how to create labels. You'll notice on my dashboard here that I have these two. These are AVIP modules, so these could be pulling in streams or playing videos. In this case, I'm just going to pull some clips down. So this is going to be a couple of clips I'm going to pull in here. I'm going to set it to loop. This is a great little playlist functionality here. I'm going to set it to loop. I'm going to make sure it plays on startup. That's really useful if you want it to be playing every day when you come in the room. As soon as you turn it on, it works. And I'm going to turn on a label for this source as well. That will become really evident what it does in a moment. So I'm just going to push play, and you see automatically behind me it is now fired the correct preset because it's actually got one more source here. And that's what's really neat about this functionality, which we call auto layout. It automatically fires the preset for the number of sources we have. So far in this session I've been using HDMI, and I've now shown you how I could be setting it off from a clip or an IP stream or a still, but it will work with any of the source input types you got, which include 3 gig SDI, HD, ST, and others as well. Just have a look at the brochure. You see I've fired off the second one, and that has created the preset as well. I'm not going to create labels for these because as I bring this full screen, the label, the A label, will come off any second now. It comes off after 3 seconds, and you can see that there's great functionality when we use the AVIP module, that it picks up the clip name. That could equally be the IP stream name as well. So that's really neat. If you've got a carousel going around, you can just pick up that metadata and it will play it. So now I've got 6 participants. If I go into 6, I can fire through in my preset modes. Now at the moment these presets are in the same order as the letters, so you can see here preset 1 has got A, preset 2 A and B, all the way down to 6, which is A to F. Watch one of the next videos. I'll show you how to make your own presets. So I can work in this type of mode, or at any point I can go back into auto layout, and if I pull out source, it jumps backwards and forwards. So it's dead simple to use. But if I want to present, so I want to present now, I push my name of my laptop, and you see behind me it's made my window almost full screen, but it's got all the sources underneath still. So at any point I can bring those full screen. So let's bring Darren's PC full screen. Here's David. So we can collaborate really quickly, yet still saying what's going on. So that's how we kind of switch around really quickly. At any point when we all want to see what's going on, you can see all the screens behind me. So there you go. That is how simple it is to collaborate, how to fire presets off as well. Watch the next video. I'm going to show you how to create your own default presets. For now though, thanks for watching. Bye bye.